Yo, what's all right? So we are in Warung, in Mades Warung restaurant. Let's see.
Today have a beautiful trip. We discovered the Belanda Dutch restaurants mixed with Balinese couple, which is perfect place. Come on.
Very nice. It's very nice restaurant. Oh, so this one Warung Made, it was in Kuta in 1969. Yeah. Very nice. Now we are in Warung Made Seminyak actually.
Very nice.
Very nice. Let's go. Halo Ibu. Check. Nice. So nice. I love it. Where do you wanna go here?
Yeah, just show.
It's very nice. Oh, they have a gelato. Very nice. I think that all, like, now here in Seminyak is just like a complex of shopping surrounded.
Well,
Yeah.
this restaurant is built in 1990s, but it's a lot of transformations during this time. So
Yeah.
obviously,
Nice. Very nice. Let's see how it is inside.
there is the pictures.
Ah, nice. Let's see. Oh. All right. So this is how Mades Warung restaurant. I'll show you the pictures. How well actually that Mades Warung restaurant a mix of Dutch and Balinese. Very nice. Very nice. So that's the owner, Ibu Made Masih dan Bapak Peter. So that's Peter. I forgot the name, the last name. Very nice. Yeah, so many things here. Galleries. Beautiful. They also have a galleries here. Let's see. Oops, it's locked.
Oh, it's good.
So that's the owner of Warung Mades with the wife of Jokowi.
Where is the wife of
That one.
Mr. President Jokowi?
Yeah, that's
Which
the one.
one?
That's that one.
Oh, nice.
That's the wife of
And
Jokowi.
here is the 1969 as the
Yeah.
first Warung was opened in 1969.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's closed inside. We cannot go in.
But
But
we'll see.
we'll see.
Very nice. Oh yes, this is the picture, actually the gallery of Mades Warung in 1969. You see the difference. Oh my god, and now in 2019.
That basically this is the piece of history of Bali and yeah, because we make a video last time. I make a video about the Australian Aussie places. Now is the Dutch Belanda, because a lot of people watching us also from Dutch.
Yeah, so interesting facts or interesting information is that Mades Warung actually opened 5 branch, and one of the branch is in Amsterdam. Wow. So yeah, let's have a tour inside the Warung Mades Seminyak. Look at that, lot of pictures. And they also have a stage here, especially for the performance like dancing. Beautiful. Unfortunately, they moved the chairs because of the current situation. You know that the restaurant is maximum for 25%. They also have a salon and spa. Wow, it's really like changes, lots of changes actually in Warung Made. So this is how it is in Warung Made. It's very nice place to have a dinner. Look at Damian. Hi, darling.
So this is the menu. Sayang ordered gado-gado. I ordered the full grilled fish. And this is the alcohol drinks for every alcohol lovers. They have also arak here. Alright, so we're actually here to show you, of course, something new, something legendary, but also this is the very late my Sayang birthday dinner.
Actually that I just finished working at 6 today, and then I didn't take a shower and then I just got changed my clothes, and then Damian took me from Denpasar to Kuta, and then we were in Kuta actually, but Warung Made in Kuta is under renovation, so it's closed. And then yeah, we moved to Mades Warung in Seminyak, but so good.
Warung Made is somewhere here.
Oh, here. So, selamat makan. Damian has a big fish.
Very nice red snapper. I make little bit modification. I ask for the French fries instead the nasi, but the fish is very nice. Sambal, garlic, something.
Very nice. Sambal mata. And then this one. Okay. With fries.
No need to show.
And mine, today I have gado-gado. I know that most of you also have have eaten gado-gado. This is for you. So we didn't order a special cake for my birthday actually, but now I will try a Dutch mini pancake since I have never been to Netherlands. Maybe I can taste how does it feel, you know, being in Netherlands. So this guy will cook the pancake. And then they put pancake. It's very small.
But then
I know. Yes. I don't know how to
call this?
poffertjes. Poffertjes.
Poffertjes. But I believe so.
I don't know guys, if you are original coming from Netherlands, just please comment below in our vlog. How do you read this one? Poffertjes.
Beautiful.
It looks like dorayaki. If you have ever been to Japan and then buy a special pancake dorayaki. Well, when I was small, I really like to watch Doraemon. You know, Doraemon cartoon, they like to eat dorayaki pancake. Just like this. Now it's ready to serve. Nice.
Enough?
Yeah, enough kan? Yeah, saya
Yeah,
enough.
for you, because for me,
A bit coklat and then
Nutella.
Nutella. This one same.
Nih yang ini apa aja sayang? Kamu apa aja?
this one Nutella and this one Nutella and chocolate, yeah.
Oh.
Oke. Saya pakai Nutella juga ya. Ulala. Love it.
Chocolate.
Coklat.
Love it.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Sudah?
Yeah.
Ready to serve. Selamat makan.
It's okay.
No problem.
Oh, honey, happy birthday to you,
Happy
sayang.
birthday to me.
Happy birthday to sayang.
Sangat.
Really nice. Alright.
For those food we paid around 200.
220k.
It's not that expensive.
Really not so
actually.
bad,
Very affordable.
especially my fish was very
Oh
big.
my god, that man has a big fish.
Very
and
nice.
then the pancake for cheese is very yum.
Very nice.
Alright, so I think that's all our vlog today, because it's 8 o'clock and then Warung Made is gonna close. Based on the new regulation in Bali right now, all the shopping center, restaurant has to be closed at 8. Alright, so thank you for watching.
And see you tomorrow, like always. See ya. Take care, guys.